Flows event is this incredible, immersive theatrical experience.
They're going to be guided on this journey by the voice of MILLA JOVOVICH.
I guide them through the flow. They hear my voice throughout the immersive tour. Welcome. Are you listening?
The Night That Flows is the world's first drive-through theatrical experience to launch the new Toyota CHR.
We've got a multitude of creative partners working across this job, across a number of disciplines. They really are the best of the best.
Talking about 7 months worth of planning, we're talking about a week of being in the building, setting up lights, sound.
Projectionists, fashion photographers, fashion stylists, casino croupiers, magicians.
You spend hours kind of like creating each scene and taking each scene. Each one of them is very, very different and it relies on different technical elements.
To put this all together already from a technical point of view is pretty impressive and cool to be part of.
The Night That Flows is a journey of amazing imaginary discovery.
In this particular room here, we're going to be flying a drone from the roof, which is going to be coming down here, past 3 guests.
And whilst they're being driven between 5 massive disused warehouses in East London, they're going to be captured secretly by hidden camera positions from which we're going to create 100 personalised films.
Starring MILLA and them, and they won't know that it's happened. That's never been done before.
I think they're going to actually feel like they've witnessed something new and unique here.
The camera footage is gonna show how big and epic this project is.
I have never done anything like this before. This is definitely one of the most interesting event launches that I've ever been a part of, and I'm excited. Now watch the movie.